So guys, last night I was able to build this small helicopter. It contains 3 levels of detail right now. Now this is not a complete model or anything. I'm just trying out to see how easy it is to build with blocks in the game right now. And yes, there will be engines and the wheels that you can attach to the things you create. But right now, today actually, I'm working on debugging some memory issues with the blocks. So here's the block that I've just broken, and this is how it looks like in memory. If I create another block and break this one up, you'll see more red blocks added to memory to represent all these blocks as a long line. Now, if I break some of these blocks, you'll see a second line. This is just for debugging. And the problem is when you break the blocks, one of the blocks disappeared, so it creates gaps. I'm kind of using octrees, but at the same time I'm not. It really doesn't matter. In the end, what matters is how many blocks are you rendering on the screen at any one time. And if you try to solve that problem, you'll eventually end up in octrees anyway. Even if you're not deliberately designing octrees, it's still going to end up in solving the same problem. So having said that, the main problem right now, if I delete the blocks, this will create gaps in memory, as you can see. And the real problem right now is saving these maps. When I save them, it saves them with these gaps. When I load them back, it all gets messed up. So this is the bug that I'm going to solve today. And this is going to open the door to creating models in the world. I couldn't actually save the helicopter because of this bug. But once this is resolved, within the next few hours, I'll be able to start creating and saving separate models in the world. I'm planning on creating like a garage area where you can create your models like cars and helicopters and airplanes. And then you can upload them and share with other players. So in the demo that I'm developing, that I'm going to release, you'll be able to create your own things and share them with others. This is very important that the objects you create, you'll be able to share them with others and they will be able to download them into their own world. And pretty much that's how it works. But another major thing I'm working on this month is sort of like infinite terrain. So I want to be able to see far into the distance so that we can create trains. And one major thing I'm going to be working is like a train ride through those infinite landscape environments.